Hi everybody, and welcome to GrossiMath.com, where math is for everybody. Today we're going to be doing question 23 from the STAAR exam, the Algebra 1 STAAR exam for the year 2017. So let's get started. Alright, so first I'm going to read the question. It says, what is the equation in slope-intercept form of the line that passes through the points 8, -10, and 10, 5? And this is a very simple problem to solve if you have your TI-Nspire calculator, and you can see that mine is ready over there on my left. So today we're going to start this problem by recognizing the fact that here we have some x's and some y's. 8 is an x, -10 is a y, and over there on the left 10 is an x and 5 is a y. Okay, so we're going to go in here and turn on the TI-Nspire, and then what we're going to do is go to Control N. So for those who haven't done this before, this is what they call a GRT problem. And the reason that it's GRT is because you're going to be going in and pressing the number 2, which is graph. So that starts with a G. Then you're going to delete the equal sign, and you're going to choose option number 6. Okay, so now all I need to do is start typing in the equations exactly as I see them. This is a very simple way to check this. 15/2 x minus 70, and press enter. And here I have my line graphed up on my TI-Nspire, and now I'm going to put menu 5, 1, enter, escape, and you can see that now I've got a little ordered pair there. Let me move that to the side so that we can see that. And inside that ordered pair, guess what I'm going to put here? I don't want the number 0. As you can see on the left, the number 0 would represent the x, and the number -70 would represent the y. But we're not interested in those. We're interested in tracing. So we're going to go right here and put the number 8. And that says -10, which matches the first point. So this might be the right answer, but I don't know until I check that second point. So let's go on to the x and change that point. We're going to go to the number 10. And so there you go. Now I have both of those checked out, and it turns out that that 8 and -10 and that 10 and 5 match. So what I'm going to do is just skip back over to my web screen here and check the answer, and you can see that it came out correct. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and to click the bell icon. Thanks again, and have a great and very math-filled day.